lang to, no?
We often hear about women empowerment, but have we think of men? How about our brothers and sisters who belong to LGBTQA plus community? That's why, from women empowerment, I changed it to human empowerment. Empowerment means having power and control over their own lives. People get the support they need that is right for them. Empowerment means are equal citizens. They are respected and confident in their communities. That means everyone needs to be empowered, not just women but also men. Our brothers and sisters from LGBTQA plus community, our grandparents, the children of today, and the children of tomorrow. This is Kingdom of them advocating human empowerment. Once again, let us empower everyone, and that includes me and you. This is again Kingdom of them 15, proudly representing the beautiful and amazing city of Central.
acknowledge the Islam heroes who freed us.
our dear farmers. It breaks my heart that in spite of their invaluable contributions, many farmers struggle to put food on their table. But we can let this continue. We must shatter the stigma surrounding these farmers and restore their dignity. I will use my voice and platform to rally support, to ignite a fire within the society, to demand justice for these farmers, not tomorrow, but right now. Together, let's stand up for those who feed us and create opportunities for them to thrive as entrepreneurs. It's time to sow the seeds of change and reap the future where no farmer is left behind. Ang ating pangarap, walang magsasakang naghihirap. This is Princess Ninoy from the Gateway at the majestic Barangay of Pahirahan, Ibaba!
Good evening everyone. My name is Mohammad Red City, Calatagan.
Upang bigyan ng pansin ng ating pamahalaan ang kailangan na ulat sa nutrisyon. Bilang isang kabataan, pangungunahan ko po ang pagbibigay ng tamang pagkain para sa mga kabataan. Yun na po at maraming salamat. And once again, I'm Kenneth Nagana, proudly representing Pasig!
Bakit ka umiiyak? Bakit hindi ka naman lalaki? Bakit ka nagdarama? Ang corny mo naman. Dapat umibay ka. Dapat malakas ka. Nakakatagang madalas namin napapakinggan ng mga kalalakihan.
Ang alay nito, ang aling ito.
In this matter, there is no difference, no age. That may have always told together may matter.
Kaya ang bukit. Huwag na kayo magsalita ng mahangin nila. Hindi na lang magpakilala kung magpakilala na. Pakilala ka na lang! nyo.
We are strong and stable. Kaya naman naalis naman sila ng isang advocacy yan, ano makakapag-encourage ang mga kapapagalalang yan, na huwag may ang hindi tayo, dahil may tayo, is not on stage.
Upo kayo dyan.
I think it's time that
Koy! Koy, akan na tumbo. Ano? Kilala ka na! Kilala, brother!
this is representing Centro.
Hindi masama maging iba sa lahat. Hindi masama maging maitim, payat, mataba o ano pa man. Science says that everyone should be look alike. Today, let me remind you that being different is unique. That's why I create my own standard to be happy and to be the one and only. Good evening everyone, my name is Mark Anthony Perez, 16 from the home of the champion, Sitio Kamachi!